Hello friends, I am here to help you navigate through and to Quill for this week's module, which is about editing, writing, and getting some targeted practice for what you specifically need. So as you go through the slideshow today, this is step 1, and we're going to talk about step 2 in this video. When you log in for step 1, you should have this split screen, and hopefully it has logged you into Clever. If it has not, and you are having an error in this space, you can open up a tab and just go directly to quill.org. If it did log you into Clever, you can go into the composition page with our little chicken and hit Quill. Excellent. Once that has loaded, you are going to have the opportunity to do these different activities. If you are logging in directly from Quill, you're going to hit Student, and you will hit Sign Up with Clever because your account is already created. I am going to log in as our test student, as I do not have a Clever account that will log me into this. Once you get in, you're going to find your composition class will be loaded, and then what you'll have access to is just the diagnostics. Okay, this is step 2 of this module. You are going to select one of the 3 diagnostics that show up here. Starter is easier, intermediate is a little bit harder, and the advanced is the hardest. You are deciding which level you want to use. Once you complete that diagnostic, I will be able to see how you did, and I will assign you 2 modules. These modules will populate, and it looks like a lot, so just for prepositions, I need the practice. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different activities. You do not need to do all 6. You only need to pick 3 total activities to do. So do not complete everything. Just a single push of the start button going through this process qualifies as the activity for this week. When you finish that activity, you're going to save and exit. Your score this week is based on 2 things: the completion of those 3 practices, those 3 activities, and then your formative will be your highest score. So you can go in and take as many as you would like. The high score is what we will use in the grade book. This week we are also offering extra credit. Any extra module or activity that you complete, so any extra activity that you complete will be worth 3 points of P&P. So you can get more than 10 points of P&P this week if you complete other activities. Once you have logged into Quill, completed 1 diagnostic, and then completed those 3 lessons, this module is done. If you've got any questions, log into class so that we can answer them. Have a great day, friends. Bye.